The market's about to go absolutely insane, and Base Network has had a lot of the hype recently. Today, I'm gonna go into coins that I already have seen have big influxes, as well as those coins that I think have potential. Before I get into the video, if you guys like the content I've been dropping, make sure to go in the description, support my referral links down below, get into the WoodsBot Discord now. We're almost at 10K members. Make sure to take advantage of all the automations and AI tools that I have at the access to your fingertips now. Let's jump into the video. The first coin I'm gonna talk about is the coin with the largest market cap that I see, and it's one of the ones I've been talking about for quite some time. Every pullback has been bought up. It's Tibber by Ribbita Capital. It's stealth launched on the Virtuals Launchpad. Now, I think that has a giant reach in the AI vicinity, as well as been a first runner on the base side of things, and that's what matters to me the most. So let's get into the chart really quick. On the 1 day, you see it made highs recently. Now, as far as aping in at these prices, I wouldn't do so, but you see just how explosive of a reversal that is. That's 180% move up. I think this is a great coin as far as market cap goes. I think it's sitting at 360 million currently, and you could tell so by the price point. It was at 400 million and it peaked just above that. So I think anywhere within this demand zone down here, make sure you go watch my demand video. I'm gonna plug it in right here. I think that's gonna be a good buy over there, but that's not saying that it's guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed. I wanted to make sure that I brought this coin forth because it's one that I see being prominent in the base space, especially if you're paying attention. The next coin I'm going to be talking about is going to be Zora. Now, Zora launched back in 2020 as a decentralized NFT marketplace. It has evolved into a Web3 social app where you get paid to post content. Now, as far as the chart goes, that's really what matters to me. I haven't really played with it, but I think it's a coin that we should talk about. It's a coin that has made some waves. And if you want to get involved in the Base Network, I think this is one coin to keep your eyes on and keep in your watch list. I think maybe around here should be a buy if it wants to retest below these lows. Should be a good place to scoop up some limits. We have some explosive and wild wicks up here that keep getting sold into, so expect that to be a big level of resistance to even start to target towards the highs. Now, it's prominent because it is backed by Base. I think anywhere around this level should be a good place to introduce some buys if you have yet to do so. This is a big level of resistance around these wicks. Like I said, you can look at this previous level of demand as now the order block that's getting sold into. So be on the lookout for that and keep this on your watch list. Now, the next coin I'm gonna be looking at is Clanker. Now, this coin had a explosive move recently, peaking at around 135, 136 million market cap. That is absolutely absurd when just a few days ago it was trading around 24 million market cap. Clanker is the native token of the Clanker ecosystem. An AI-powered platform powers token deployment and trading tools built on Base, and it's integrated into the social platform Forecaster. And they just recently disclosed that partnership, which is why we had a recent tremendous spike in this chart. We could potentially see crazy numbers on this. I would start to introduce buys at around this 60 million market cap level right down here. I think that we're going to see a retrace back down, kind of similar to the Apex token where we saw a giant spike up and then consolidation back down. Maybe we get something like that. Those are the coins that I wanted to look at on the Base Network, and I think you should have on your watch list when it comes to higher market cap coins. Now, let's get into some coins that I think can see tremendous upside. Now, the first coin I'll be talking about here is going to be OpenX. Now, I spoke about this coin on my Twitter. I'm still holding, and I still see tremendous upside in this coin given the current market cap. We saw a giant spike up because the CEO Brian Armstrong of Coinbase, he interacted with this token, saw a giant influx. I can only imagine this has a lot of room to grow. Look at this as accumulation. Purchase what you have conviction in. Coins like this can see very big upside, right? Higher risk, higher reward. But when you include everything that's going on in the space with base hype, with big CEOs interacting with particular tokens, that is something to look out for. Another coin that's on my radar is going to be CyberLife. The ticker is going to be Life. The team behind this token aims to lead the next wave of gaming powered by AI. It launched on Base recently. You can see it consolidating right over here. The thing with these Base tokens that I've seemed to realize is a lot of these consolidations do not really have a lot of sell pressure in them. And that's something that I want to keep my eyes on, especially when it comes to new drops coming out here. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you for all the support. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys in the next. Peace.